Hey guys, welcome back to another video of making a React Native mobile app. So in the previous video, we connected up our create page and we connected up all the other screens in videos before that. So we're able to save stuff, we're able to log in, register, view our information here. So we've pretty much got the entire app done and dusted. Now, all we need to do is a little bit of testing. So let's go back to add item. And let's go ahead and add a few more items. So let's just fill the pile to see if the scrolling feature works. So obviously our error handling is working. Does it work? Okay, let's go back. Yeah, we've got a fair bit. Let's add a few more to see how it's looking. See. The reason the error keeps coming up after I'm pushing it in is after I'm creating it is because my phone is still a little slow and it's registering the create click twice. Right, so now we've got some items. Let's delete one. So delete hi. Hey, error. Sweet. Let's have a look at that. Unexpected identifier to do items. I bet you it's the same issue. Yep. I put it in single speech mark. So let's save that. If you guys copied me, which you probably did, yeah, just fix that if you get the same error. But if you guys realized I made a mistake, then props to you guys. So let's try that delete again. Delete hi. And hi is gone. So that was a bit long. Right, you guys can't see my screen. There we go. Let's do that again. Let's delete hello. So we've got a hello here and a hello at the top. Let's delete the one in the middle. It shouldn't delete the one at the top. There we go. Sweet. So it is deleting. Now this is all fun and good, you know. Just delete test. If my phone is so slow. Right. Let's log out. Assuming it registers. Yeah. Okay. And let's make a new account. And hopefully we shouldn't see the other user stuff. So once we hit register, what was that? That was slow. It's because my app is very slow. Oh, not my app, my phone is very slow. Let's log out. Let's do that again. So let's log in this time. I think one thing we can do is I guess we'll see. So let's do test 1 2 3. When we do hit the logout, we should probably clear the cache. So let's go ahead and add some stuff here. Add items, hello. Because when you get a slow app like my one, it's so slow at the moment. Not app, phone, sorry. The phone is very slow right now. So did that create it? It did. Let's log out. And let's log back into hello. And let's see what hello is saying. Okay. Hello saw that too. Yeah, I think we need to add a feature to remove the cache, so making it empty. So I think the simplest way to do that really is probably, let's try this. Go to the home page, and in the home page we've got get to do items. So in our logout we've got await logout user. Let's expand this a little bit and let's do this, let's do that, and let's do await get to do items and just provide it single speech marks as the user, and let's give it the dispatch. Let's save that and let's reload. Okay, let me do a hard reload. Let's go ahead and log in as, let's log in as test, because yeah, let's log in as test 1 2 3. Okay, test has login. Let's add another item. Let's log out. Let's go on over to hello. Let's see if it loads. Okay, sweet. So we've reset the cache. As soon as they log out, it'll remove it from the local or our global state. And hopefully for slow phones like my one right now, it won't appear. So let's create one more account just to double check. This is our robust testing. Let's call this John. Let's give him a password, super secure password of 123456. Let's register that. Cool. So we see this straight away. Add item. So let's go back. Let's log out. So everything seems to be working. It is a super simple app, but of course there was a lot to it. You could actually make an app like this much faster with less code, but it won't be as how is that good practice, right? All the stuff we've done, as far as I'm aware, is good practice. Of course I'm still learning, so I'm gonna feel, if there are new stuff, I'll try and update the GitHub. I'll make sure you guys can see the GitHub for this as well. But this was all done in mind of scalability, right? Because the next bit we're going to do is we're going to create a server. We'll do that in another set of videos. So if you just want to learn React Native, that's it. Good job, guys. You did a really good job. You've done a course on React Native. In the next few videos, we're going to create a server, and then we're going to then connect that server to this app. And you'll see that because of the way we've laid out our app now, it'll make it so much easier to just connect our server, because what we've done is we've done it based on actions, and all our actions are method based here. And when we connect our server, all we need to do is change a little bit of logic here, but everything on these screens can stay the same. They don't need to change, right? So in reality, we just change 4 files, or not even 4, maybe 3 files. No, 2 files. Auth and to-dos is the only 2 files we'll really change. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just change those, but we'll see anyways when the video comes, when we get to it. Now let's do some next steps. So the next steps you can do, if one would be connected to a server, so then watch those set of videos. Now if you don't want to deal with backend server stuff, what I recommend you doing is adding a few more features to this app. So let's have a look at the app again. Let's just quickly log in with hello. Now you can see in the app, once we log in, we've got, well, first things first is you saw it said no to-dos, even though there are to-dos. Maybe change that so it shows a loading screen first, and then it shows whether it's no to-dos or to-dos. And that's a fairly simple, easy one you can do. You can also set it so split it in half. So the first screen will have our to-dos, the second screen will have or the other half of the screen will have finished to-dos, completed to-dos, right? So what you could do is here you can, instead of having a delete button, maybe have like a check it off. It goes into our completed, and then in the completed you can then delete, or maybe archive, or maybe have a completely separate screen, part of the home authenticated screens, where you can view your completed views, you can your completed to do, sorry, you can delete them, you can maybe add them back. Another thing you could do is maybe share to-dos, which is pretty cool. So maybe user hello, or we'll say user John and user Jane, they have a to-do that they both need to do. So you can make those shareable, and then whoever checks it off, they can it'll check off the entire thing. Maybe when you click a to-do here, you can add a bigger screen so that you can have like notes, etc., etc. So you can really delve into this, and I would recommend adding more onto it, and then sharing your ideas with other people. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it in terms of. I mean, in terms of next steps, it's really have a look at what we just done, because we did do it fairly quickly. I know I went over quite quickly, and a lot of the times you guys may have been like, "What's he talking about? He's talking too quick. He's going too quick." Um, you would need to have a little bit of basic understanding of React, JavaScript, HTML, CSS. But I plan to bring out quick videos that will discuss a lot of the stuff we just went through. So things like doing an if statement like this, or doing another way. Things like what destructuring means. So here we've got destructuring going on, what spread operators mean, all that kind of stuff. I'll create quick videos to just go through those, so then you guys can check that out before you check this one out. Yeah, so good job again. You guys made your first React Native mobile app. Next step is create your server, and I'll see you guys in those videos. So catch you guys later.